How to log in Zenith Bank app. So if you want to log in to Zenith Bank app, then first of all you need to download the application, right? So you have to open up your Play Store and then make sure to have a stable internet connection. Go for the search bar and search for Zenith Bank mobile app, and you have to simply install this application. And after installing that, now you can simply go for open, which is on the right side. And after opening that, now here on the bottom you will have two options. One is to register or to open your account, or another one is to log in. So if you want to log into your Zenith Bank app, then simply tap on login. And here to log into your account, you can enter your mobile number on the first blank. So you can enter your account number, your bank account number on the first blank, and then you have to enter your password on the next blank. And if you want to remember, like if you want your device to remember you while you log in the next time, then simply click on remember login, and then it will remember that, and you don't need to enter the credentials again and again. And after that you can simply tap on sign in. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply tap on that forgot password, and here you have to select any one of that authorization mode, and then you have to enter your account number, your new password, and then you can confirm it, and your PAN card number or your card PIN and all of that. You have to enter all of that, and then you can reset or recover it. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password and your account number, and then simply tap on sign in, and you will be signed in or logged into your Zenith Bank app. So that's it. That's how you sign in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.